guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my family here on YouTube, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video at the end. And yeah, today we're gonna test out a foundation, and it's one that I've never tried anything from this brand, and I've been really intrigued to try it. And this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and I have it on right now. So what do you guys think? If you want to know more about this foundation and if I liked it, if it worked out for me, the pros, the cons, all that mumbo jumbo, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is how the foundation looks like right here. This is it right here. Has a nice clear bottle, and obviously if it falls on the floor it's gonna shatter pretty much. And this is how it looks like. It's really nice. I actually like it. That. And it comes with a pump, which I need to take the thing out. Light Illusion Foundation, Luminous Makeup, New Skin Feel, All Day Wear, has the SPF of 18. And I have mine in Caramel M5. I feel it's gonna be way too light, so I'm a little scared. Yeah, it's an all day wear foundation. So we're gonna see if it's an all day wear. I'm gonna wear it a couple of hours. I'm going out. I'm probably gonna be like back like 2 or 3. And right now it is 9:20. So I'm just gonna test it in the back of my hand first to see if it's a good color, because I bought it online and we all know how online it is. Well, actually, I think it's gonna be a good color. Yeah, I think actually it is gonna be. Let's see. Oh, it's a little pinkish. Dang, okay. Yeah, it's a little pink, but I should have got a shade down, to be honest. But I'm gonna make it work. The back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Like that. All right. That had no coverage whatsoever. I feel like that has no coverage, like absolutely nothing. I feel like the beauty blender just soaks up all the foundation. It's probably my sponge. I keep calling it a beauty blender, but it's not a beauty blender, it's a sponge. But I feel like it keeps on soaking all the foundation. Like, I don't see the difference in both the sides. Like, what the heck? Okay, let's try with the brush. What in the world? I feel like the coverage is so little. I'm gonna, oh my god. Alright. And it does oxidize, by the way. Look at the difference. That pump that I just did is way lighter than the one that's on my hand already. Wow. Alright, so if it oxidizes, then this color's fine, because it looks really nice though. When you build it up, it looks nice. See? But this covers the beauty blender than anything. Actually, I'm kind of liking it now that I'm building it up with the brush. It actually looks really nice. Okay, I was a little scared. It definitely oxidizes, like definitely. Okay, I'm kind of liking this color now. It doesn't make me look like an Oompa Loompa, like super orange. Some foundations over like the hours, it makes me look orange, and I hate that. So this foundation actually doesn't look that bad. just gonna go over everything with the sponge because I don't like the lines that sometimes the brushes give. All right, so I actually thought it was gonna be worse. Is it me or I look gray? So this is how it looks like on my skin. Obviously on this side it has more coverage because it was with a brush, and if you are wondering, I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. This is my favorite brush. It's amazing. And obviously this side has less coverage than this side, but I feel like I have to go get another shade because it makes me look a little gray. You see, I'm olive and it looks like a little grayish. So I'm gonna go pick up a different shade, and if I can today, then I'll redo this video. If not, then this is going live. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I will be right back. Guys, so this is the finished look, and this is how my foundation and everything came out. As you can see, I am olive tone and my face is a little light, and it is light coverage. I did build it up, but you can still see my stuff, my marks, my acne scars on the side of my face. Nothing too bad, and you can also see it on this side, but let me see. Okay, I like how it looks. I don't see anything dramatically wrong with this so far, and I did do light makeup and I did set my makeup, and it doesn't feel that sticky. I mean, it kind of feels sticky in the areas where I didn't put powder. I used my NYX powder, if you're wondering, and I just put some everywhere because I don't like to feel sticky. That's one of the things I don't like. If you know me, I don't like to feel all ugh and sticky, but I don't see anything wrong with how everything looks like, to be honest. Aside from the color and everything, I feel like everything looks pretty good. But I'm gonna see if I can get a different tone, a different color, and then I'll see if the problem's probably that. But to be honest, I don't think it's the color because it did settle in and it looks pretty good. It doesn't, people don't look at me oh, it's just two different colors. You guys see it because of the camera, but you can see my scarring right here. I did notice that when I was bronzing, the foundation was coming out a little bit, and that's why you guys can see the bronzer here, and then you can see my dark spots over here. So it's definitely not full coverage, and I don't think this foundation is for me. I might return it, to be honest, because I like full coverage foundations because I need a lot of coverage. But overall, then I really did like it, and if you guys want to go pick it up, if you don't have a lot of scars, then I totally recommend it. I will let you guys know throughout the day in how I like it. Check the description box below for more information. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.